gonna.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another video, and I'm collabing with my friend. I'll actually put his channel on screen so you can subscribe.
I think we need a stick
We need a stick.
to Yeah.
Come back here, then.
What? What the hell?
Come back here. Come back here. Can I get the whole?
What the?
Why am I getting serious?
My game's like lagging or something.
Same
It's all,
here.
like, choppy.
Same here.
The stick is too powerful. Good thing it's free.
Where's the stick?
You're on the weapons.
Oh,
You gotta kind of like put it with your fingers, so that way you're kind of like holding it on your fingers. And that's how you move faster. No, man.
so you go like this? Oh, what the? Where are you? Where'd you? Where'd he go? What the? How'd you go over there?
See, your stick breaks too. And also there is a giant spider over here.
Okay, good.
And it doesn't do too much damage, but it does a lot of damage.
I barely played this game.
Oh.
Should have brought a
I didn't
flashlight.
actually see anything. I just I took damage.
That's a mimic. That's a mimic.
Can't even move.
Imagine not being able to move. Could never be me.
Okay, break these white crystals, I guess. I don't know.
Garrett.
I don't know if crystals are more valuable. It might be the Pokemon. I don't know.
I should have brought my backpack. We'll come back. Come on, let's go attack.
Yeah, they're not. Oh, hey, I found one of the...
What is that?
There's what? What the...
I'm gonna go attack the mimic. Yo, Jude, Yo, Jude, is he friendly? Oh, what the? We're in a dead end.
Give me a stick, give me a stick. I'm gonna go, shove it up his butt or something.
How do I? Jude? I'm down here! Maybe it can warm up.
Why'd you go all the way down?
Because I fell.
I don't know what this is.
It's the heart of Tafiti. I don't know.
Shut the hell up.
I found a cave. What the? What the hell is that? What is that?
Where's what? What is that? Oh, it's the green guy.
What?
It's the gringo. La gringo. El gringo. El gringo. Oh, he's coming. Hulk?
Pause. No, that's not Hulk, bro. That's the Bulk. We stuck.
The incredible.
The Incredible Bulk.
I can't see anything. How do we get back up?
I gotta be careful.
You gonna go back? What is that? There's a giant spider.
Did you get punched?
There's a giant spider.
Ah, bro, what the hell is that?
Look. I think we should go back.
Wait, is it coming our way?
Yeah, it is.
No, you're wrong.
Oh,
No! Hey, I think this is the time we should run. Ah! About it, bro. I'm out. Why'd you take me down here?
Because this was the mines. This is where they put the children.
No, I don't care about this. Wait, what?
We went through it. It's this way.
How do we get out?
Just climb out the ropes.
How the f you climb up the ropes?
Grab it. And
Oh.
yeah, it's down like that. I guess you can't like
I fell back down.
that. Yeah, me too. I'm still trying to figure out how to we could sell our valuables
No, we didn't.
up there. I said we need to.
That's it, bro. What? I had enough of your shenanigans. Okay, first I'm actually gonna get a backpack. What? Oh, what the? Just came out of nowhere. Damn. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, you dummy! Oh wait, I should get a flashlight.
Why you want? Oh yeah, and a stick. Fill your backpack up with sticks,
I have a small
cause
backpack.
I mean, you're just gonna drop them anyways.
I'll fill up too, cause I don't have. Alright, come on, let's go. Hey! I said let's go!
Alright, hold on.
I want to smack you.
Schmackle?
No, not schmackled. What the?
You have to
No!
find a punter. Hey, did you know that
Did you know?
Did you know
That I'm gonna
I
fall?
actually climbed all the way back up?
I want to see if we can shove it up.
Possible to climb down here. All that
What the?
fucking chicken. Man, chicken. What the?
What the? Why did it attack us?
Why are they flying?
Chickens don't fly. I fly.
Pigs fly.
Bro, what?
Can you on?
Oh,
Oh yeah, I
freak.
forgot.
I forgot about the red light, green light, bro. Oh, I got hurt. Oh, no. Jude! I got a Coke. I love Coca-Cola. Jude! Is he? What the? I just got killed.
Skill issue.
Shut up! Stay down there. What the? Oh, there you go. I'm coming back down.
This stupid chicken attacked me and got turned into roast chicken.
Go to the red light, green light. To that cave near there.
No thanks, bro.
I saw plungers. That's why I was trying to go there. I'm back.
Bet. Pick up my flashlight. You'll be the light and I'll be the banana.
Alright, ready?
Actually, put one flashlight in your.
Go, go,
Put
go,
one
go!
flashlight in your backpack and pick up the red light.
Skill issue.
I hate this game.
I think I'll be able to make it, hopefully. I just got flashed. I almost died. You wanna play a different game? So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Sadly, this Gilbert couldn't do an intro with me because he, I don't know, he likes men. But, anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.